Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial we are gonna look at how to put Webtoon in dark mode. Now let us begin. Do you know that I have already enabled the dark mode? Now I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. Initially let's focus on the bottom right next to this button called as My. You can see these three dots or simply More. Click on it and as such you will be redirected to this page. Well, as you guys can see, multiple options, but all you guys have to do right now is simply go to settings. Click on this button right here and then you will be redirected to this page, that is settings. Now from here what you guys need to do is simply focus on this options tab, and almost at the bottom you can see the display button. Click on it and this is it guys. Simply click on the dark mode and as such you will have put Webtoon in dark mode. The process is quite easy guys. Just follow me step by step. Well guys, that is it. That's how you put Webtoon in dark mode. As you guys can see, the process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and of course subscribe. Thank you.